So it stopped raining for a little bit. It's been raining most of the day and also during the night and yesterday. So I decided to go for a little walk and get some fresh air. And at the same time, I want to test out the Sennheiser MKE 200 microphone to see if I can use it as a vlogging microphone. I have had some problems with too much handling noise, rattling from the camera, and also when I use the more cheaper lenses, the zoom and everything makes noises through the body of the camera and into the microphone. So this is a directional microphone, which means that it picks up all the sound from the front of the camera. But now I'm walking behind the camera just because I wanted to test if I can use the microphone like this when I want to give some commentary to what I'm filming. So I'm standing a little over 2 meters away from the camera. It's very windy up here, and I don't know if you can hear the wind. I have the wind muff on the microphone, and the wind is blowing from behind the camera. So this is how this microphone sounds. I don't know if it can pick up my voice from this distance in this kind of environment, but we'll see. So behind me here you can see the Vigdel beach, which is a very small and nice cozy beach, but today the waves are enormous. You can see the sky is totally blown out. It's all white, and just hoping that the rain will wait until later. So I went to investigate inside this bunker, and the first step I made inside of the doorway, I stepped into a giant, very deep puddle of water. So my shoes are all wet now. That's a bummer. There's a lot of these old buildings, bunkers, cannon towers, a lot of stuff that was built during the last World War. I don't know what this construction was used for, because the building structure is different from anything I have seen before. They have these huge stone blocks instead of just concrete, like in most of the other bunkers. pitch dark inside there, so I should have brought a flashlight. Oh well. So I'm standing, well, three meters away from the camera now, just to see if the microphone can still isolate my voice. The wind is blowing from the side here into the microphone, so I'm kind of doubtful that it will actually catch anything of what I'm saying, but it's worth a try. So the wind was getting quite unbearable on that hilltop over there. So I went down to this area, this tiny little ravine, to seek shelter from the wind. And also, while I'm down here, I want to seek out kind of a little tourist attraction called the Stone Face, which is not as exciting as it might appear. It's just a stone with a particular look. So we'll see if I can find it. And also that white piece of rock in the middle of the ravine there, it's also very special. So I'm holding the camera by the lens now, just to test out if I can vlog like this. I'm using the 24 to 105 millimeter L lens, which is a bit too narrow for this kind of videos. And also I have the enhanced stabilization on, the electronic stabilization, so it crops in even more. So this is the stone face. Not very exciting, but kind of cool. So all these rocks are very slippery from the rain. So it's not easy to walk down here. So I'm heading back to the car. Luckily the wind stopped, or at least calmed down. So again I'm talking from behind the microphone. I'm holding it very close, maybe an inch from my mouth, just to see if I can actually use the microphone like this without having to put it on the other way.